beds for the school.
Our garden club clubbers, as they call themselves, because they wanted something a little more creative, have been gifted through St. Peter's Health Partners 6 flower beds for our garden, and they're building them right now along with some community members and their parents.
Really excited.
The Watervliet City School District is one of the chosen districts that the Creating Healthy Schools and Communities grant with St. Peter's was chosen to work with, and we sit on their school's wellness committee. And of course, one of the objectives of our grant is to increase nutrition and physical activity initiatives within the school. So of course it would be natural for us to help them with updating their garden area.
And you know, one thing they're really enthusiastic about eating what they created themselves, so they're able to try new things, whether it be eggplant or peppers or beans or tomatoes, and they're eating more and they're excited to try new fruits and vegetables, which in the end is our goal too. We're in need of something like this for our students. We were currently digging into the ground soil, and it was a little hard and a little rough, and in having conversations with them, they decided that, you know, if we had garden beds, we'd be able to put more soil into those garden beds, and it would be a little more productive and perhaps grow more crops. So they reached out to us, and of course we took them up on this exciting opportunity. We're very grateful to St. Peter's.